In this video, I will show you how you can check if your AirPods are real or fake. Now to do this, in front of me I have fake AirPods. Now in the first glance, you might think that these are real AirPods, but in fact these are fake. So in this video, I will show you a few methods to spot a fake AirPods. The first method is that if you open the lid of your AirPods case and if you pull on the housing of your AirPods case, if you notice a gap forming as you pull on the housing of your AirPods case, then this indicates that you have a fake AirPod. Real AirPods will not form a gap if you pull on the housing. Now, this was the first method. For the second method, just grab a flashlight. So I will use my iPhones over here. Now I will remove the AirPods from the housing. Now if you shine the light through the lid of your AirPods case and if you see the internal hardware, then this indicates that you have real AirPods. But if you're unable to see any internal hardware like I have over here, then this indicates that you have fake AirPods. Now for the third method, just look at the back of your AirPods case. Now if you look closely on the text at the back of your AirPods case, it should say designed by Apple in California. In most fake AirPods, they write designed by in California or something that doesn't make sense, or they might write designed by Apple in California, but they might misspell a few words here and there. So just make sure that it says designed by Apple in California. Now for the last method, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Now after you do that, then just go to settings, then tap on the name of your AirPods in the settings. If you cannot find the name of your AirPods over here, then just tap on Bluetooth, then tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. Now over here, if you scroll down, under the About section, you will find the serial number of your AirPods. Now just copy the serial number of your AirPods, then just go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website, and from this list, just select your region. Now in this section, just paste the serial number of your AirPods. Now after you paste the serial number of your AirPods, then just tap on Submit. Now if this website does not recognize the serial number of your AirPods, then this indicates that you have fake AirPods. But sometimes they even recognize the serial number of your fake AirPods. Then just check the purchase date and the warranty end date of your AirPods. Now if you have just purchased your AirPods, over here you might notice that the purchase date might be odd. Like it might show you that you have purchased your AirPods a few years ago, and it might show you that the warranty has already been expired. If you see anything like this, then this indicates that you have fake AirPods. And this is how you can check if your AirPods are real or fake. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.